Hello viewers, and welcome to another great day. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use your Windows machine or your Windows 10 operating system as a repeater so that other devices can connect to it. It's so simple, and let's get into it. So first thing, what you need to do is to click on your Wi-Fi icon down here. Okay, so you could see I've shared my iPhone wireless hotspot to this machine, and I'm connected to my Wi-Fi hotspot, which is not being shared by my iPhone. Okay, so to create a repeater on this machine, all you need to do is first click on the network and internet setting right here, or perfect. It's going to bring you to this page, this nice page. And what you are interested in this page is what the mobile hotspot. So this is what you are going to do. Click here, and now you see share my internet connection with other devices. You need to turn this on and share my internet connection from. Where are we sharing the network from? We are sharing it from what? This hotspot. So all you need to do is to turn this thing on. Click apply new setting. Now you can edit this. So you could see in my previous tutorial I show you the network I was connected to on my machine. So this is what I set some previous time, and today I'm going to set a new one so that you all pop with it. So all you need to do is to edit this, then give it a name. I'll call it LAPPs. LAPPs or LAPPO PPs, yeah. Then you can set the password for it. Let's say Johnson at 39. Perfect. So remember this network name and this password. So all you need to do is to save changes, and that's all. And now let me move to my Mac and let me show you something right there. So let's switch on to my MacBook so that I show you the network. For this, I'm in the Windows operating system. I want you to show you that I've already shared the network and devices can connect to it. So you could see devices connected here is 0 of 8. So when I connect my Mac, it will change to one device has been connected. Okay, so let me go into my Mac and let me show you something. So as I show you on my Windows 10, I set up a hotspot, and now I'm right into my Mac. So when I go to my network area, okay, you see the LAPPs, which I set previously, right? So I hope you remember the password we set to Johnson at 30. Then I'll show you the password so you see what we are doing. I'll say Johnson. Small letters, Johnson at. Then we join the network. Now you see we join network, right? So we join the network right here. So all we're going to do is to search for anything, or let me Google the page, let's say bing.com. You see that we have bing.com. And now you see Bing already working right here. Okay, so now you connected to what? Our shared hotspot from our system. So when we go back to our Windows 10, let me switch back to our Windows 10. And now when we come back to our Windows 10, you could see what one device is connected right here with what the IP address. You could see it's my Mac Air and what the physical or the MAC address of my MacBook. Okay, so this is how you use your laptop, your Windows 10 Windows system to set as a repeater to share or connect other devices to it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you next time. Take care and goodbye.